When looking after a commercial facility, it can become challenging and stressful to find the right company to manage all your maintenance needs. For a professional, reliable and on-time building and maintenance service company, look no further than Mathiou Services. Located Australia-wide, Mathiou Services is licensed and is an ISO accredited building and maintenance company. We employ a large number of trade experts, from carpenters to handymen, plumbers, gardeners, painters, floor specialists and more. Our experienced tradies work on small or large-scale projects ranging from playground upgrades and internal and external fit-outs to general building maintenance and emergency call-outs. With only one phone call, Mathiou Services can be your one-stop shop, taking the stress out of finding individual contractors. To find out how Mathiou Services can meet your facility's needs, call today on 1300 363 423.